Hey YouTube, so the project I got going today is I'm going to be building a syrup evaporator arch for boiling off maple syrup. That's a chunk of galvanized sheet metal there. I believe it's 18 gauge. And then I'd originally bought all this steel here new. It's 1 3/4 angle and 1/8 inch. I don't know, I just overthinking things. I'm just going to go with some of the stuff I have laying around here. It's inch by inch, angle, 1/8 inch still. So it's just to get you an idea outside here. And I think it's just going to be best just to walk you around. So I'll show you my chicken scratch, if you care. That's where I'm at with that. I'm going to be adding stuff and probably removing and fixing stuff as we go. I'm doing like coped corners on all of it, so that's going to be interesting. I've never really done that too much, but I think it's going to work out best for this. I got a roll of fire blanket, basically. I got the 1 inch thick stuff. Stuff ain't cheap. It's about I think it was $110, I'd like to say. It is the 8-pound version. If you saw in that drawing, I'm going to be putting it on wheels on the back, kind of like a dolly. So those are the wheels. Picked them up cheap. They were $8 a piece, normally like 20. And then for fuel on this, it's going to be natural gas. And I've never really messed with any of this stuff before, so this is going to be news to me. But I've got 2 of these. I've got one still in the package here. So I'm going to equally space those out. And as far as mounting that, I'm not sure how I want to do that yet. I think once I build the frame itself, I'll be able to kind of figure out where I want to put them and the height of it. But this is the evaporator pan itself. It's a 2x4, and it's got a sap warmer on the back. So that's what this is all based upon. For the price, I mean, I don't even have that many maple trees, so I mean, I could have got away with probably a lot smaller of a pan and everything would have been easier. But just should I need to boil off more sap or whatever, I mean, I'll have the ability to. Because originally I was going to make it out of wood. I got oil tanks, and I have everything bought actually to build it out of the old oil tank version, but I'm just opting to go with this because this way I can pretty much every day I can just burn it off, and real quick. I don't have to start up a fire or nothing. All I do is light the fuse pretty much, and I'm boiling instantly. So we're gonna give this a go. I thought I'd bring you guys along with me, and I'm gonna get to it. I got a bunch of cutting to do, and hopefully all my math is right. guys, so it's been a couple days. I actually was doing the natural gas piping for my house in order to hopefully accommodate this thing. So this is the latest and greatest plans I got. What I did is this is a piece of U channel here, or C channel, and I put a hole in through it, and I'm gonna actually just weld that little nipple on there, and then that'll be my standpipe. So this is actually, the gas pipe itself is gonna hold the two burners that are like this. And I just got 1/2 inch adapters into the 1 inch T, and I got them kind of spaced out so it should be pretty even across the pan itself. And then right there's the axle that I got for it, for the wheels to mount up on, and then just a little scrap piece, and that's going to be for the feet of the front end here. So that's kind of where I'm at now. Keep working on this, and hopefully I'll get this pretty much done today and ready for paint. Alright guys, so it's kind of where I'm at right now. I was originally gonna bolt all that galvanized to this, I think I'm going to end up just laying a few little tack welds on it. Once I get this thing all painted, you know, I'll just have to touch it up. I typically don't like, you know, burning galvanized, but sometimes you just got to put on the mask and do it. If you saw, I got the spindle on. I got that plate all welded up in there with the pipe coming out. I got tabs on this for the sap pan. Got the little handle on it so you can move it around a little easier. Yeah, so I think next I'm just gonna take out the galvanized and give it a paint job, and yeah, we'll do that, then install this galvanized back in and pipe up for the natural gas. Catch up with you later. Alright you guys, so I just installed the sparkers for igniting it. I ended up using the electronic one, so then I can do them both off that same button there. I just mounted it because down there, because of the gas valves right there, so I figured that'd be a good place for it. So I figured I'd just shoot this before I throw the pan on, so give you guys a look at the inside. So I think it turned out pretty good. I got that smokestack on there now. That's just dirt on the insulation there. But I'm pretty overall happy with this so far. Next up, I'm going to throw the pan on it, and yeah, and I'll have to give it a go. Alright, that fits pretty nice, actually, perfect. Hardly any movement. That's why I welded them guards on here, though, to keep it in here so there's no way that this thing can fall off. Looks pretty cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you have any further questions. Check this out in my next video, and I'll do a demonstration of it running. We'll see you then.